What's up, everybody? It's me, Josh, Relentless Motorsports. Been out here sweating. My hair is all messy. I went in the house, cooled off. Out here working on the Toyota Chaser jzx90, doing spark plugs. Doing spark plugs. Fun. So, jzx90. Last night, got coil packs. Pulled out. These coil packs are... Did I grab the wrong spark plug socket? Yeah, I grabbed the wrong spark plug socket. Hate when that happens. But anyway, last night I changed these, or not changed these, but took these coils out. I'm gonna show you guys some stuff. I'm gonna go put this spark plug tool down. Wish I had more tools. I wish I had a better toolbox over here. Except for my ex-girlfriend took all that stuff. Guys, don't trust women. I'm just messing around. Just don't trust her. So, I'm going to show you something. So if you look at these coils, 1JZ, 2JZ, standard coil. These things crack. See the stress fatigue crack in there on the ear? That one's got a crack going across. You get cracks down here underneath the boots and whatnot. This one doesn't have. One of them over here has a crack, but you can actually save these by putting heat shrink and nail polish. So you brush nail polish over the crack if it's on the shaft. Pull the boot off and put heat shrink over it. It'll work again. Is it what I like to do? No, but if you're in a pinch, it works. There's my beautiful Supra RMS. There's a Lexus side and spark plug socket. We're going to see what these plugs look like. There we go. Got the right socket now. You guys see the 10s there. If it disappears, then we know that they really do run away. Make sure to go in the proper orientation and somebody's over tightening the crap out of that. So we're gonna use, oh, it's coming out. Cool. Let's see what these plugs look like. They probably look like trash. It was having a misfiring issue. So, iridiums. So, little word of the wise, when you're working on JZs, they like copper plugs. They don't like iridiums. This plug looks decent. Could definitely be better. You could tell it's old. And it's got some oil saturation on the plug. So, I'm going to be changing all 6 by putting NGK copper plugs in them, and not dealing with that. And I'm going to be gapping them down because this thing gets spark blowout. I'm going to gap them down to probably 22. That might be a little bit too much of a gap considering it's still on factory twins. I don't know. I know we're going to probably turn the boost up just slightly. There we go. Somebody's over-tightened the crap out of these. That's probably what you get when you buy a car from RHE Specialties. Look, guys, that shit ain't even moving. Jesus Christ, that thing's tight. So, I'm gonna prop you guys up here. Oh, hopefully I didn't strip the head out. Oh, Jesus Christ. Sweet baby Jesus. Cool. We got that plug is nasty. That plug is okay. The fact that this thing has an uneven burn on a factory ECU leads me to believe that this ECU is not as healthy as it seems to be. That is one of the things the owner wanted me to do, was rebuild the ECU. So we're going to, the other plug's kind of nasty. All these plugs are old, nasty, junk. So we got all 6 plugs out. I gotta go find my spark plug gapper tool and check the gap of the new plugs, because I know they're pre-gapped. Yeah, pre-gapped. Pre-gapped. I don't buy it. Spark plug gapper tools are like 10 millimeters. They seem to disappear. They seem to disappear. Not be in my toolbox at my house. I have an actual real toolbox at the house. Ugh. Is it up here? No. It is not. Ugh. Anyway, I'll upload another video when I find this and get things running. Anyway, in the meantime, peace out. If you need ECU work, hit me up. I work on Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Toyotas, Nissans. You need it. Gauge clusters, ECUs, body control module, whatever. I'm your guy. My name is Josh, and I own Relentless Motorsports. If you watch this, like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think. We can talk cars. Anyway, in the meantime, peace out, and I'm going to get back to working on that. So, later, guys.